In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Asana project, all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and go through each step in detail, ensuring you have a smooth experience throughout the process. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so to gain access to your account. Start by entering your email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos, as even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. Once you've entered your email, click on the continue button to move to the next step. Now it's time to enter your password. As always, it's a good idea to ensure your password is strong and secure, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your password correctly, go ahead and click on the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Here's where you see your list of projects, tasks, and recent activity. This is your command center for productivity, but today our focus is on deleting a project you no longer need. Locate the project you'd like to delete. This might be a project that's been completed or perhaps an older one that's no longer relevant to your current workload. Click on the project name to open it. You'll then see all the details and tasks associated with this project. Next, look for the Actions drop-down menu. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the project window. Click on it to reveal a list of available actions you can perform on this project. Among these options, you'll find the option to delete the project. Go ahead and select Delete Project. Now, before the project is permanently removed, Asana will prompt you to confirm your action. This step is crucial in preventing accidental deletions, as once a project is deleted, it's generally not recoverable. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed the project you wish to delete and that it's no longer needed. If you're sure, click on Delete to confirm your decision, and there you have it. The project has now been successfully deleted from your Asana workspace. This action helps keep your workspace tidy and focused only on the projects and tasks that are currently relevant, enhancing your productivity. That wraps up today's tutorial on deleting an Asana project in just 5 minutes. Remember, eliminating unnecessary clutter can significantly improve your efficiency by allowing you to concentrate on what really matters. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.